Welcome to the Woodland Forest theme, where we bring the beauty of nature into your home this fall. If you love the tranquility and earthy feel of the outdoors, this theme is perfect for you. Using natural materials like pine cones, moss, acorns, and twigs, we'll show you how to create a cozy, forest-like atmosphere. Let's dive into some simple yet beautiful decor ideas that will transform your space into a serene woodland retreat. Pine cone wreath. Create a rustic pine cone wreath to hang on your front door or above your mantle. It's an easy way to bring the forest indoors and adds a touch of nature to your home. Twig candle holders. Wrap twigs around glass candle holders for a natural earthy touch. The twigs add texture, and the candlelight creates a warm, cozy glow, perfect for fall evenings. Acorn and moss centerpiece. Fill a shallow wooden tray with acorns, moss, and pine cones for a simple yet elegant fall centerpiece. This design is easy to assemble and brings a touch of the outdoors to your dining table. Woodland mantle display. Decorate your mantle with a mix of pine cones, small logs, and fall mushrooms. Adding some moss and twigs completes the woodland look, giving your living room a cozy fall feel. Twig and pine cone garland. Drape a garland made of twigs and pine cones along your staircase or fireplace. This natural garland gives your home a rustic, forest-like ambience without being overwhelming. Moss terrariums. Create small moss terrariums in glass jars or bowls for a calming natural accent. Add miniature figurines or pine cones for a woodland scene that's perfect for tabletops. Wood slice coasters. Use wood slices as coasters or for small decorative displays. They bring the texture of nature into your home while remaining functional. Rustic log candle holders. Hollow out small logs and use them as candle holders. The natural wood pairs beautifully with the soft glow of candlelight, creating a peaceful, earthy vibe. Acorn garland. String together acorns to make a simple yet elegant garland. Drape it across a mirror, window, or doorway for a subtle woodland touch. Twig wall art. Arrange twigs into geometric shapes and mount them on a wall for a minimalist, nature-inspired look. This unique wall art brings the forest directly into your home. Moss-covered pumpkins. Cover fall pumpkins with green moss for a woodland twist on traditional fall decor. These mossy pumpkins make great centerpieces or porch decorations. Woodland-themed throw pillows. Add throw pillows featuring woodland creatures or earthy tones like forest greens and browns. They instantly add comfort and a natural vibe to your seating area. Pine cone bowl fillers. Fill a decorative bowl with pine cones, moss, and small twigs. Place it on a coffee table or shelf to bring a natural, rustic element to your room. Wooden lanterns with twigs and moss. Fill wooden lanterns with moss, small twigs, and fog candles for a cozy glow. These lanterns work well for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Tree branch centerpiece. Place a large tree branch in a tall vase and decorate it with small fairy lights or acorns. This striking centerpiece brings the outdoors inside with minimal effort. Moss table runner. Lay down a moss table runner for a woodland-inspired dining experience. It's the perfect base for displaying candles, pine cones, and other natural accents. Acorn and twig vases. Glue acorns and twigs to the outside of plain vases to create a woodland-inspired look. These vases make great additions to your mantel or dining table. Rustic tree slice serving board. Use a large wood slice as a serving board for snacks or decor. The natural grain of the wood adds a rustic touch that fits perfectly with the woodland theme. Miniature woodland scenes. Create small woodland scenes with moss, tiny pine trees, and fall animals. Place them in glass containers for a whimsical touch to your fall decor. Forest-inspired wall hanging. Craft a wall hanging using twine, feathers, and small branches. This simple yet striking piece adds a natural forest-like vibe to your home. With these woodland-inspired decor ideas, you can easily bring the beauty and calm of the forest into your home this fall. Whether you prefer pine cones, moss, or twigs, there are endless ways to incorporate natural elements into your space. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!